Hi, I'm Dan Snedecor. I'm the General Manager for Holms Attachments, located in Hickory, North Carolina. And the product I'd like to introduce to you is the Holms Multibucket, the MB40. So the new Holms Multibucket is a snow wing bucket. It has a capacity of 4 cubic meters or 5.2 cubic yards. This is a modern version of the traditional snow wing bucket. The first thing to talk about is the design of the bucket itself. You can see here the wide opening. The opening is angled at the mouth to allow the snow to travel in, and it also directs the snow towards the middle of the bucket, which makes it easier for you to accumulate snow and let the snow roll into the center. A design feature that you'll only find on the Holms Multibucket is this heel edge. The edge extends beneath the heel of the bucket so that the heel of the bucket can be used to break up ice or hard-packed snow. It can also be used, because of this opening, to peel the top layer of that ice or hard-packed snow into the bucket. It will come from underneath and it will roll into the bucket. This helps you in exceptionally difficult applications so that you're not having to use the front of the bucket. You can use the heel, you can break up snow, you can come back then and pick it up with the bucket if you like, or you can scrape it and have it peel into the bucket. In addition to that, you have 2 positions to choose from, which will extend this heel edge into a more aggressive or less aggressive position depending on your application. During the design process of the Holms Multibucket, we researched successful designs, and we did a lot of interviews with customers. After all that research, we've come to market with a very, very robust hinge on the snow wings. So you can see here extremely heavy duty interlacing of the wings themselves, and it's greasable from behind so that you can keep this area maintained and flexible in all conditions. And most importantly is this reinforced front corner. So this is the area that receives the greatest amount of wear and tear. So we've made this extremely heavy duty. We've extended the steel out quite a bit, and we've also created it with a curve so that it allows the snow or any obstacles, even curbs, to glance off the bucket rather than making a direct impact. So now I'd like to talk about the support design for the Holms wings on the Multibucket. You can see there's springs here which are mounted to a plate. This plate is what engages the ground. These springs, and there's a bushing mounted inside of here, allow the plate to move freely. So it's supported by the wing above, but the plate that is touching the ground has the ability to move, or about 5.5 inches. This floating ability isn't just up and down, it also allows for some angled travel. The right wing and the left wing are allowed to move independently. This allows the Multibucket to handle very uneven surfaces and even handle curbs or sidewalks and things like that if that's what they encounter. The wings will move forward. In the most forward position, they are at a 45-degree angle. The opening width for the bucket when they're in that 45-degree angle is 4.4 meters or 15.5 feet. In the 90-degree position, which would be the maximum width of the attachment, you're at 5.2 meters wide or a little bit over 17 feet.